Welcome to Vansik Maths. This is a past KCSE question on linear programming. Remember to subscribe. So we have a question. A school has to take 384 people for a tour. There are two types of buses available, type X and type Y. Type X can carry 64 passengers and type Y can carry 48 passengers. They have to use at least 7 buses. Form all the inequalities which represent the above information. So here you have buses and the number of students or people. So the types of buses we have X and Y. Bus X can carry 64 and bus Y can only carry 48, and the total number of people to be carried is 384. So we are going to interpret in this format. They have said they have to use at least 7 buses. At least means greater than or equal to. So the total number of bus, when you take X plus Y, it should be greater than or equal to 7. Then if bus X carries 60 X buses, they carry one bus can only carry 64 type X buses. So it means the total number of people that can be carried by type X buses will be 64X, then this one will be 48Y. So total number of passengers, so it will be 64X plus 48Y. And I've said a school has to take 384 people for a tour, so they have to take 384, not more than this. So the number should be either less than or equal to 384. Then we know they've said there are two types of buses, bus X and bus Y. So automatically also X is greater than 0. Then again Y is greater than 0. The number of buses cannot be negative. So you have all those inequalities. Then the second part, they've said use the grid provided, draw all the inequalities and shade the unwanted region. So we are going to just do a sketch, but we don't have a graph to do that, but a sketch will suffice. It will guide you the way forward how to draw these inequalities. So if you have X plus Y is greater than or equal to 7, so you first of all assume the inequality. So you just have X plus Y is equals to 7. Then you find the X and the Y intercept. So when X is 0, Y will be 7, and when Y is 0, X will be 7. So here you will plot 7, 0 and 0, 7. Then the other equation, which is this one, is 4x plus 48y is equals to 384. So again do the same. When x is 0, you substitute, so y will be 384 divided by 48. Then when y is 0, so x will be 384 divided by 60 divided by 64. So when you come, then the other line, this one is x is greater than 0, so the line x equals to 0, and then the line y equals to 0. So you have the x and the y-axis. So one of them will be at 7, this intercept here, then the other one again at 7, 0, then here it will be 0, 7. Then for this other one, 384 divide by 48, I think this one will be 8, so it will be 0, 8. Let me confirm. This 4, 6. Then the other one is 384 divided by 64. You get 6, so here it will be 6, 0. So you'll come and plot 0.60 where x is 6, then this one is 0, 8. At this point, so it will be a continuous line for this one, then also this one it will be continuous because of the sign. This one or this, you plot a continuous line. So you can test the side which you will shed. For this line, this one was x plus 7 equals to 7. So you can test by putting, let's say this is the point of origin, it is on this other side of the line, so it will be 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 7, which is false. So you shade the side which is false or unwanted. Then these are the line, it was 64, x plus 48, y is equals to 384. So again, you can always test, you can test with the point of origin, which is 0, 0. We can test by putting here 0 plus 0, x is 0, y is 0, so 0 is less than or equal to 84, 384, which is the correct side. So this side, it is correct based on this equation. So the false side is this other place, this other one, then this other, y is greater than 0, then again x is greater than 0. So we have this region R where we are going to find the maximum points for x and y, whereby you can either maximize the objective function or minimize. And the maximum points usually got on the right hand of the graph. If this line is continuous, then it means all the points which lie along the line is also considered. If the sign is just less than or greater than, then we'll have a dotted line. But for dotted line, the lines along that line doesn't account.